specifying the data type of user input. If you recall from our previous tutorial, I provided a simple table that explains commonly used data types along with explanations and the Python keyword. If you recall or go back and check, you will see that the keyword for string is str and integer is int. So, the scenario I am giving as an example for the topic of specifying data type of user input is as follows. You may make the program output any message you would like to and ask for any input that you want to, as long as you understand the concept we are learning about. First, we want to print a message that says, "Welcome to Python," and thereafter, we would like to take two input, namely the user's full name and then the user's age. The full name needs to be in a string data type and the age in an integer. The program must not accept other data types.